So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gamers Be Gamers, and today we'll be playing Roblox as you can see. And there's actually a new account saying GBG rocks because obviously he rocks, he's the best. I know I'm the best. I know, I'm not trying to flex, but everybody knows I'm the best. Okay, fine. Not this only not about me, even my brother Sanat is playing. He also has a YouTube channel and the link will be down in the description below. And we'll actually be playing this game called I lost the game. I literally just lost. Yeah, it's here. Race of Hell. I've never played this game, but it looks nice. The rainbow and that tongue out and all of that. Not adopt me. Yeah, Race of Hell, and yeah, ah, we'll see how well the game goes. And I hope you enjoyed. And let's begin. So yeah, guys, this is the game. It's actually a parkour game, and there's a timer on top when this level is going to end. And here is the score. This is the finish line, and the store is kind of nice. You actually have revives. I just saw that, and actually, my brother, Sanat, that's that guy running over there. Sun. Stop, Sun. Yeah. Ooh, stop dumping.
Stop making fun of me.
Yeah, here, Sun 550. And yeah, let's begin. 3, 2, 1, run, Sanat.
Sun.
Run.
It's called Sun.
Oh, San. Oh, it's San. Like the phone Samsung.
No, you.
Chill.
Bro, please.
Okay,
stop
fine.
eating.
Chill. I died.
You chill.
I died. How will I chill?
No.
Again?
I don't know, but somehow chill.
Again I died. Maybe because you're talking, I'm dying.
Again, even I died.
Because you're talking, I'm dying, I think so. I died again. I literally died again. Okay.
You're funny.
I know I am.
Okay.
Whoa. 3.
Who told that you're funny?
You. I died again. Don't talk. Okay, fine. Don't talk. Now no one is talking and we'll see if we can actually win it. Put some intense music.
Woo!
Put some intense music, please. And now we'll not talk.
Dun.
Sana, it's not you.
Okay. Oh, I died. Put some sad music.
I told. Don't talk.
Okay.
Come on. Yes, Sanat. I'm the second person. I'm the second highest. This level is actually kind of easy. This brownie part. Bobona, whatever this is. Oh, I just almost fell. Bro. I almost fell again. I almost fell 2 times. And that too I'm in the second highest position. What? I never knew that was a trampoline.
Okay, I'm sorry I was not speaking for a long time, okay?
I was sorry. I was happy that you were not speaking.
Maybe your viewers are sorry. I said sorry to them.
Why are you saying sorry to the... And as I told guys, Sanat already has a YouTube channel. Link will be down in the description below. And why are you saying sorry to the viewers? Viewers also, I think the viewers are enjoying. Viewers, please type if you are enjoying listening to Sanat, or if not, say you're not in the comment below. Now we'll see. Okay.
So mean! Bro, you're so mean! I can't believe you're so mean.
It depends on the viewers. I don't know if the viewers are mean, right? Viewers, are you mean?
Yash.
Are the viewers mean? Do you think the
No,
viewers...
you are mean. Viewers are never mean. You are mean. So mean.
See, viewers, look at him. He's calling me mean. He's calling me mean.
Yeah, viewers, he's mean a lot. He's so mean, guys.
But he's calling me mean. He literally is calling me mean.
Yeah.
Oh, bro.
Okay,
Like, bro. I'm using a revive.
I'm not playing anything. Yo.
I used the revive.
No.
Yeah, chill.
Bro, the game is glitching.
Yes, I can beat you now. Anyways, I'm ahead of you.
No. Okay, my game stopped glitching.
Come on, I'm using my next revive. Guys, this is my last revive.
Oh no! Oh no!
Someone put low gravity. Someone put low gravity.
Die!
Sanat, stop it. You're disturbing the viewers. Don't talk like that. You're disturbing the viewers. Oh, I used all my thing and I died.
Why?
I used all my revives. I
Let's
literally...
go! I am winning now.
Who told? I'm ahead of you still. I died, but I'm still ahead of you somehow.
Still,
I died and I'm still ahead of you.
I don't know how.
I'm just too good at
I am ahead of you now.
Next match we can play some mobies or some car tycoons or whatever.
You're never too good. You're never too good. You can become even better. You can become even better, but I won't let you. I will never let you become even better.
Why you're jealous? Now even the viewers know you. Even the viewers knows you're jealous of me. Viewers, even you just heard that, right, viewers? See, even the viewers heard it.
Whatever.
Why are we calling you viewers? We should actually call you guys or whatever. Guys, yeah, we'll tell guys, don't call them viewers. That's mean and disrespectful.
Oh my god, my phone is ringing.
You have a phone now. Oh yeah, that small phone. Ah, this is the place I died last time. Not here.
Oh no.
What happened?
Sorry guys, I had to go.
Oh, he has to go. Finally, some peace. Some peace.
No, I didn't mean that. Sorry, I went. Okay.
Sorry, you went. So you're going to stay still?
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! Please, guys.
Viewers.
Guys, help me.
Viewers.
Not viewers.
Guys, hit like if he's funny.
Yeah, hit like
He's
if
too funny for me, guys. Oh God.
I'm literally.
Oh God.
I'm literally scared if I fall now.
Made me die because it was fun.
I'm literally scared now if I die. All my stuff is. I mean, not stuff. We're not playing Minecraft.
Yeah, let's go.
If I die, I'm going to lose, and I'm only going to use revive if I reach the end, the green color part, right? The full end.
You have Robux or something to revive full time.
I know, but there's a person with Robux. Okay, he's continuously buying some stuff. Even I'm going to get Robux soon. That's the same place.
I got Robux soon. I already got Robux.
Don't worry, I'm going to get lots of Robux, at least 10,000.
Please give me
Match
this
over.
one.
Match is over. Oh no.
Okay, I'm gonna call you Call of Fact fan.
Call of Fact fan now. I am Call of Fact though.
Yeah, so I'm gonna call you Fact.
I don't know if I am lagging or there are so many people that it's lagging. Okay, anyways, come on now. We are going to win it.
You are lagging.
We are going.
Bad internet.
I am not even lagging. I am just. Whoo. We are going to win this, guys. Wow, it's scary.
Are you speedrunning this or something?
What? I could not hear you.
Are you speedrunning this or something?
Yeah, I'll try my best to. Viewers, come with speed run this. Good idea. Good idea, son. Good idea, Samsung.
Stop making fun of me.
Okay. Okay, I'll not make fun of. I'll not make fun of you, Samsung. Lol.
Oh God! My name is not Samsung. Oh my God! I mean, my name is Samsung, but please do not call me Samsung or Samsung.
I'll just call you Sanat.
Oh, I don't. Don't call me Sanat. Call me Samsung.
Oh, what? I just fell because of that cactus, that round ball.
Guys, if you want me to do a face reveal of Gamers Be Gamers, hit like. Today our goal is 20 likes.
Yeah, guys, if you do 30 likes, then I'll slap him on his face.
Is that a dad? Okay.
Guys, 30
Guys,
likes for slapping Sun on his face.
Okay, guys, give Dash down comment Dash down below in the comments. We will do the next video on my channel, and his channel will be a dad. Okay, guys.
Not my channel, his channel. So if you want, you can go and type it in his comments. Type it in his comments.
Please comment down some dads.
Don't promote your channel. Don't promote your channel.
Bro, it's my channel also.
I'll promote your channel in the description. Guys, his channel will be in the description. Now don't talk about your channel. Shush.
Okay.
Shush.
And first of all,
Or if you
where
want, you
are
pay me.
I can't even see you on the map.
I'm full ahead.
Oh God.
Come on,
How
cactus.
do you do that? I'm not even a little ahead.
Oh, I just did a flip. Oh, I almost died and I did a flip and I lived.
Okay, whatever. Nothing too crazy.
What do you mean? You should see this.
God, you should have seen that, guys. Oh God, it almost gave me a heart attack. Oh God.
You know they're seeing my screen, right? Not your screen.
I know, but still, I did the great.
Can you see me now, Sansan or Sanat?
Where are you?
Oh, I just died. You can see that white guy on the map. Full ahead.
Yeah.
I was next to him.
Yeah.
I was next to him.
Bad lucky, right?
Don't
Okay.
worry. I'll go there again. Wait and watch. Whoa.
Whatever.
Where are you? You haven't even... Where are you, Sanat?
I am way ahead. Way ahead.
I can see you. You're way behind, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
You're in the beginning of the map. It's literally in the beginning of the map, guys. I jumped in the wrong time by mistake. Like I'm supposed to jump on a trampoline. I jumped over the trampoline.
Oh, mommy! Oh, God!
What happened?
I was going to do the jump, but...
This game is like so scary.
Yeah.
Scary in a way that it is very...
Guys,
like if you
please
die.
subscribe to his channel. He's doing so much of hard work to
Yes, I'm suffering. I'm literally suffering playing this game. Actually, I'm not the one suffering. Actually, guys, I'm not the one suffering. Please subscribe to 2 Sunny too because he's still in the beginning. Imagine his suffering pain. Imagine his pain. He's still in the beginning.
Yeah, I'm dying a lot.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh.
Something so amazing.
I died. I almost died. Oh my God, 2 times in a row.
Okay, I want you to die now. I'm literally so jealous of you.
See, look at this brother I have. So bad.
Starting your channel, please. Please.
Oh,
I'm dead.
I almost
no.
fell down.
Oh no!
This is the part where I fell? What happened, right?
You're saying, oh no, right?
I jumped over that block. How many coins do I have? Can I buy anything? Oh, we have a crate. Let's open the crate.
307.
What is there in the crate?
What should I get?
I got Breezy. What's Breezy? Is it a pet? Oh, the thing will be Breezy. What do I have? Where is my thing?
Where?
Bro, where do I have to go to check my
Actually,
inventory?
guys.
Where? Do I sell it? Actually, we'll keep it. We'll keep it. I'll use Breezy at the end of the video for sure.
Dude,
What happened?
dude.
Yeah.
I want to say you something.
What?
You are way behind of me.
Why?
Okay, that's not actually what I say, but I'll say it later. Hope this does not come in the video.
What happened?
Oh yeah! Oh, chocolate!
Oh my God, it's so scary. Even you're in the chocolate area.
Yeah, I almost entered, but I died.
I'm after the
I'm
chocolate.
actually also speedrunning this.
I finished the chocolate, okay? I was way ahead of the chocolate. I was in the... You can see the purple part in the map. No, I was not there.
Oh, there's only 30 seconds. Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's see how far I can go in 30 seconds. Come on. And I'm extremely good at OBs. So if you want to see me do OBs, then just type it down in the comments. I'm extremely good at OBs. Like everyone is scared to race me. Whoever I know, I guess. Yeah, whoever I know is scared to race.
He's almost the fastest in our building. And if you want me to do his face reveal, please guys, hit the like button.
Yeah, if you want me to do a face reveal, hit the like button. 10 likes and I'll do a face reveal 10,000 years later.
Actually, he's joking. After
Is this the same map? Wait, I think so we are playing the same map. It's the same map!
Yeah!
Again! Cool, right? Ah! I missed the jump button!
Yeah, but I
I missed the jump. Now, Sanat, I'm telling you.
really don't.
Sanat, I'm telling you.
Guys, please hit the like button.
Sanat, listen, I'm telling you. I'm telling you this. I'm going to finish this map now. I'm going to finish it.
Hey, dude, wait for me. Cheater.
What?
Guys, please tell me he's cheating, guys.
No, I'm not. I'm not. And how much are you talking to the viewers? I think so now the viewers are enjoying it now.
Yeah.
Also, they're saying you just said they're not enjoying your talk.
Oh, they are enjoying my talk, but not your talk.
This is my channel. They should enjoy my talk, not your talk. It's my channel.
Okay, whatever. Okay, let's stop fighting. Hey, go to the shop. You can see down there.
I died at the
Go
beach.
to the shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, go down and you can and go to team. Actually, no, upgrade them.
Okay.
Actually, yeah. No, not upgrade.
I know you can buy
this
stuff. I know you can buy stuff. Oh, we have a spring. We have
I
spring.
really want that.
Invisibility.
I want that double jump.
I want to disable imposter mode. There's something called imposter mode. What do I buy? I have how many? I have so many coins.
Kill me with that imposter mode.
I have so many coins. What do I
No,
put?
dude.
Actually, I'll save the coins. I'll use all the coins at the end of the video for sure, guys.
No.
Uh,
When are you
this is the last round I'm going to play. Sanat,
Guys, if you're enjoying the Minecraft episode of him, please hit the like so he can make another episode of that. I'm also enjoying that.
well, I guess I'm going to start a new episode because that one, I think so. I'm not sure if it's still there in my account. I don't know if I signed in before I deleted Minecraft.
Oh God, you again deleted it.
Yeah, and I don't know if I signed in. I literally don't know if I signed in. So I don't know if I have the thing.
You will not believe what I just did. I got down below when we were talking about that. Okay, just a minute, guys.
I just realized when someone puts low gravity, it's only for yourself. I thought it's for everyone. Bro, I thought there was a jump thing.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry, I went.
Sanat, we'll go together. Die.
Oh, where are you?
I'm right there. I'm right next to you. Behind you. Yeah.
I came to the front.
Okay, fine. Follow me.
Oh, mommy. One more. Mommy. Yeah, then let's go.
Where are you? Where are you?
Oh, guys, I'm killing it today.
Where are you? I'm waiting for you at the chocolate bar. Come.
That was so close. It's the first time I'm reaching the chocolate area.
It's the first time. This is, chocolate area is very easy to get. I reach the chocolate area every time. Now finish the chocolate area and come fast. Now flower area.
Then I finished it and I came to the flower area.
You can't wait for me.
I died. I literally died.
I'm not dead yet.
I revived.
You wasted your revival. You only have 3, I think so. How many do you have?
I don't know. I used only first revive.
Okay,
I don't
fine.
want to revive.
I'm on a bee. Can you see me?
Oh, yeah. No,
I'm
I
jumping.
don't think so.
I'm jumping. There are many bees in front.
I'm there behind of you.
I can see you now, I think so. No, that's not you.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I'm just gonna leave you because you're very slow. Okay, fine. This is the last revive I'm going to use
The chocolate area.
because this is the last match. This is the last match, so this is the last.
Second time I'm reaching
Bro,
the chocolate area.
if I lose, I almost died. That's a million times I almost died. The revive, I think, was useful. I'm not sure.
Man, why do I keep on dying on the flower
Come on.
area?
Come on.
The revive helped you a lot, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm almost going to get 500 coins so then I can buy the double shot.
I have 1392.
Oh god. You can buy this thing, no, imposter mode.
No, imposter mode is there now, but it's not 1000. I thought it's 2000.
No, it's 1000.
It's 1000. Then I could have killed you.
It's 2000. It's 2000.
Wait, I'll just go and check. I don't believe you.
Why don't we just buy
Yeah, it's 2000.
double jump? It's better.
Nah, it's fine.
Very useful.
1 minute is left, so I'll use that later. I mean, when it becomes 30 seconds or something like
Right.
that. That revive was so useful, right? I'm so ahead now.
You can buy more revives if you have 2000.
That's remove revives. That is remove revives. That means no one can revive. If I have 2000, no one can revive. Should I use that when I get 2000?
No, don't! Don't ever do that.
Ha ha ha. Okay. So-
The first time I reached 3.
My hands are literally sweating now. I'm so ahead.
Oh, mine.
Look at me on the map. Just look at me on the map. I'm on the purple area. I think so I'm second. Second. Fast, just look at me on the map. Just look at the purple area on the map.
Okay, you're almost done. I'm almost coming, and I really think I can come.
Actually, I'll save this money for next episode if I ever play this game again. If you want me to play, just type it down in the comments. Or if you want me to play any Roblox game, type it down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed. So please like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any video. And bye.